About a month ago, I was talking to this fellow, and we were exchanging how about our mental health issues. He suffers from depression, so do I. So we had similar stories to share. And he told me that 18 months ago, about 18, 20 months ago, his wife kicked him out of the house, said he was under earning, he wasn't motivated. She said, it's over. So she kicks him out, and he starts couch surfing and realizes, I got to get my life together. And while he was couch surfing, he picked up a book, and it was telling him how to heal mental health issues using spiritual practices, or at least to manage them better. And one of his challenges was rumination. So he couldn't get started. He was always stuck. He was procrastinating, waiting till it was the perfect time, and always planning, but never accomplishing anything. And he read this book, and he thought, okay, so he found himself somebody that would help him implement spiritual practices. And he believes in God. So that was his starting point. And his mentor said, what you need is a God box. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the dollar store and just get yourself a box. Any old box will do. Just get something you like. And then inside this box, you're going to put notes. And these notes are like a letter to Santa, and you're going to give it to God. And instead of thinking about it and ruminating and saying, how am I going to do this? And oh my God, and just the spinning wheels, okay? You're just going to get a notebook from the dollar store and start writing in your God box. And he dates them and folds them and puts them in. Here's what's happened to him so far in 18 to 20 months. Can't remember exactly. He's changed jobs 4 times. Today he started his new job. He's loving it. He increased his income by 7 times what he used to earn. He wasn't earning that much, but still 7. I mean, he's really doing well. He says he never thought he'd make this much money. And one of the things he put in his God box was he wanted to rekindle with his wife, even though they were divorced. And she said, no, 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 I'm never doing this again. And they are in a completely different place. So I got a God box about a month ago when he told me this. And this week, one of the things that I put in my God box, not knowing how I was going to do it, not knowing how this was who was going to help me get this, I just gave it to God. And sure enough, the guy's right. So, have you got a spiritual practice that you find is magical? Tell us.